Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm not your hairstylist, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to bleach your frontal knots. By bleaching the knots, we're going to make sure those black knots under the lace aren't black anymore. They are going to be looking like a skin type color, so keep watching. So I'm going to be using my sinus bleach powder and my sinus developer. I'm going to be pouring the bleach powder first onto my pink cup before I pour my developer and mix them together. And when you're mixing, you have to mix it so well that the developer blends properly with the bleaching powder to avoid any lumps in the mixture. So guys, this is the consistency you want to achieve. It's not so thick, it's not so light, it's just perfect. Then we'll be going on to apply our mixture onto the lace. So now we're moving on to the next part. I'm going to start applying my mixture onto my lace. And when you're doing this, you want to be really careful because it could seep through. The mixture could seep through the lace, and you don't want that. That's what results to when the mixture seeps through the lace. That's what we call over bleach knots. And trust me, you won't like that to happen. Once I'm done applying the mixture, I'm going to set my timer for 15 minutes to ensure my knots bleach properly. Then I'll go wash my lace. For this part, we'll be using my Chiomannajit conditioner to tone the brassiness of the lace. So watch me apply it, and then we'll go wash it off after we left it for like um 3 to 5 minutes. So guys, I washed it off, and this is what it looks like at the moment. Then I'm going to turn the back of the frontal so you could see how skin-like it looks at the moment. So you notice you're no more seeing the black spots, you're now seeing my skin, and that is what it's supposed to give. So I'll be going in with my hair by any listings foam. This is light brown. So if you're a hairstylist, you know you need all the colors because skin type differs, skin shades differs. But if you're using it for personal use, just get the one that suits your skin the most. So guys, we're gonna let it dry, and at the end of this video I styled the bob wig and you're going to see it in another video. So this is what it looks like properly styled. I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Bye and see you in my next video.